Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Oppo Reno 4 versus the Samsung Galaxy A71. And Samsung A71 comes with a Snapdragon 730 chipset with 8 GB of RAM, while the Oppo Reno 4 gave you a Snapdragon 720G chipset with 8 GB of RAM as well. And both phones give you a quad cameras on the back. As you can see, we have a normal ultra wide as well as a macro lens and a depth sensor. So very interesting to see who is perform faster and who is best for you. And also Samsung Galaxy A71, it is little bit expensive phone than the Oppo Reno 4, especially in Pakistan market. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And logo came up first, little bit faster on the Oppo Reno 4 followed by the A71, and both phones is running on Android 10. We have One UI 2.1 update on the Samsung Galaxy A71 compared to a Color OS version 7.2 on the Oppo Reno 4. And you can see Samsung Galaxy A71, it is faster when it comes to booting up, followed by the Oppo Reno 4, about 1 or 2 second difference there. And as you can see that both phones give you a very different display. We have a Full HD AMOLED display on the Oppo Reno 4 compared to a Full HD Super AMOLED Plus display on the Samsung Galaxy A71. And also we have a single front facing camera inside this punch hole on the A71 compared to a dual front facing camera inside this punch hole. And guys, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first application we have is the phone dialer, and that is little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A71 followed by the Oppo Reno 4. So next on the list is the settings, and that is little bit faster on the Reno 4. Now let's check out YouTube, and little bit faster on the A71 this time followed by the Reno 4. And the scrolling wise, both phones is perform really smooth, no issue whatsoever. Let's see Amazon shopping, and that is little bit faster on the Oppo Reno 4 followed by the A71. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see both phones is perform really smooth, no issue whatsoever. Now let's check out Instagram, that is little bit faster on the A71. Now let's see Spotify, faster on the Oppo Reno 4. Now let's see some games application for checking out the performance difference between a Snapdragon 720G compared to a Snapdragon 730. Let's see Candy Crush Saga. And Samsung Galaxy A71, it is faster there, and you can see, followed by the Oppo Reno 4. Now let's check out Subway Surfer on both phones. And let's see this time who is going to be the fastest one again. Samsung Galaxy A71, it is faster there, but at the end Oppo Reno 4, it is beat the Samsung Galaxy A71 in the Subway Surfer app. Now let's see the Temple Run 2. Let's see it is again happened or not, but this time I would say A71, but again Oppo Reno 4. Let's see, yes, Oppo Reno 4, it is again faster there, and you can see about 1 or 2 second difference there. Now let's opening up the Twitter, and faster on the Oppo Reno 4 followed by the A71. Now let's see Zedge, and little bit faster, I would say about the same on both phones, no difference there. Default camera, and faster on the Samsung Galaxy A71 followed by the Oppo Reno 4. Let's see internet browsing speed. We have wikipedia.org. I am using Samsung internet browser compared to Google Chrome on the Oppo Reno 4, and faster on the A71. Let's see the scrolling, same thing with zooming in and out. Next on the list is the gsubmarina.com, and faster on the Oppo Reno 4 followed by the Samsung Galaxy A71. And now the A71, it is also done. Let's see the scrolling. You can see both phones is performed really smooth, no issue whatsoever. Now let's see the RAM management on both phones, and both phones give you 8 GB of RAM. In my last speed test, both phones is performed really good in the RAM management. Phone dialer, no refresh. Settings, that cut refresh on the Reno 4. YouTube, refresh. Amazon shopping, refresh again. Instagram, that is not refresh. Spotify, that seems like refresh on the Reno 4. This time Reno 4 it is not performed good in the RAM measurement. Let's see the Candy Crush Saga. That is not refresh. Subway Surfer. Same result, no refresh. Let's see Temple Run 2. Now let's see the Tutor. That is also not refresh. Zech. And last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see. And guys, overall I have to say that the app's opening speed it is definitely a little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A71. In game app loading time I would say about the same on both phones, but in system based application Oppo Reno 4 it is faster there because we have a faster animation on the Oppo Reno 4, but the RAM measurement it is absolutely incredible on the Samsung Galaxy A71, but many application refresh on the Oppo Reno 4. I hope the RAM measurement will fix with some software updates in the future. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A71 versus the Oppo Reno 4. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.